pack just came in. Alright. These are the tools you're gonna need to start off with. 18 deep socket, 10 socket, 24 socket, flathead, wrench, T55 star, 18 swivel, and an alligator. Take the caliper loose, 10mm screw here, 10mm screw down. Snap that out of here, snap that loose. Take your bracket off with your 18mm. Then you want to take this speed sensor off. Get you a nice hammer. Pop this tie rod out. Heavy one. And you want to hit it right here. After you take the nut off. Again, you get this nut off, you want to take your hammer and hit it right there. You might want to put something under the holder because it's going to spring out that way. Me, I'm a professional, I don't need that. Fix it up, 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 fix it up. Remove your brake hose line from the wall. It's 13mm. So you can get to this screw here. Got the control arm out. And make sure you put these things back in the way you got them. Close as possible. You're gonna have to get alignment anyway after all this, so just get it close as possible. Thank God they the same parts. They love the look of brand new shit, man. She put that bleeder screw in first. Grease the screw. And go ahead and grease that, get that out of the way. Very important. You're gonna be doing this shit all over again. Looking better already. Already had replaced the shocks. It's looking good, looking good. Take that off. Time for this ball joint. 24mm socket. Leave it on there a little bit. Take your hammer, hit the ball joint, hit it right there. It's gonna come loose every time. Same procedure. After about 15 times of hitting this motherfucker, it finally came loose. I just gotta lift it back up, take that screw off, and take the whole assembly off. Assembly off now. It's on the ground. Now we're gonna get our ball press this ball joint out and put the new ball joint in. I like to clean shit when I'm working, so we're gonna chill and wait on that to melt that dirty shit off. That way. Take us a little break from that real quick. I ain't gonna lie, man. Ford did something right with this thing here. For real. Look at the spring on that thing. Shit. Alright, back to the Chevy. There's always a Ford truck in the way when you're trying to fix your damn Chevy, man. Don't y'all just hate that? I do. I hate it. Finally got my ball joint press on now. About to press this ball joint out. Get a 22mm and drill it. You might have to hit this with a hammer while you're doing it. After a little persuasion, the ball joint is out. Fell in the cup. Alright. We almost put back together on this side. Gotta put my sway bar center links in. Then we're gonna move on to the tie rods, inner and outer, and the pitman on. Coming up. Sway bar center links. This how it go. This plastic needs to be in between now. Just like that needs to be in between it all. Plain and simple. Don't overcomplicate it. Now we gotta tighten it up. Just wrench on top, socket on the bottom, and screw away until it feels firm and looks like other one does. You'll know when it's good. Got that screwed down. Now, inner and outer tie rod ends. I'm gonna just take this whole thing off and just throw this shit away because I'm replacing both of them. Your bushing look like this, it's time to change it. Yes. That's ripped all the way out. You know what I'm saying? That truck is gonna appreciate this. You got big wheels, you need to be doing this. come see me. Take this little adjustable wrench, pop it with a hammer, and it's gonna come loose. Now you just slowly but for surely wrench this thing, rusty mother thing off of here.
Because we get it. Some things are bigger than banking.
Yep. We got the outer arm off.
Find the care you need at ascension.org/Alabama.
And you gotta move this gearbox so you can get to this pitman on. 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. I'm just overdoing it now. I'm known to do that. Might as well go all the way, man. I'm saying that was she said. Turn that old rotor into a new rotor, man. Don't let them tell you that your rotor's no good. You can always turn it, unless it's paper thin. And mine's are good. That way. That's how you do it. We did it. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Bouncing around. Come on down. Set the mates on the ground. Bounce, bounce, bounce.
Bouncing around, bouncing around, bouncing. I get it how I live it.
Give it how I get it. What the motherfucking business?
I pull it with a limit.
Yeah. You ain't winning. This turned out to be a bigger job than I bargained for. I gotta bend brackets back, all kinds of shit. Whole grill gotta come on. Yeah. HIDs and fog lights, turning signal LEDs next. If your tires don't look nothing like this and ain't picking up no rocks, but instead it's bald-headed right here or bald-headed right there, you need some front end work on that regular motherfucker. Box Chevy Delta 88, Cutlass, Monte Carlos, and Regal, man. You automatically need some front end work on that regular motherfucker. If you get on the interstate up to about 65, 70 over and your steering wheel is shaking like a motherfucker, your ass needs some front end work on that regular motherfucker. Your tires got lines like that, then you need some front end work on that regular motherfucker. Wouldn't give a damn if you driving this latest edition right here. You got any of them symptoms that I just said, you need some front end work on that regular motherfucker. And there go the other one, Dodge Chrysler. Chances are you need a lower control arm on that bitch. Every one of them damn near on the scene is messed up. Hellcat, Scat Pack, Dodge Demon, Charger, Challenger, Chrysler. You need some front end work, lower control arm on that regular motherfucker. Honda. Oh man, where should I begin? I ain't gonna even get on that case, but you need some front end work on them regular motherfuckers.